Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you could easily restore the messages on your WhatsApp. So if you have change your WhatsApp or phone, then you wanna restore your messages and you don't know how, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is to simply open up your WhatsApp mobile application. From here, what you have to do is to simply tap on the three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. After that, such type of pop-up will appear. From here, simply head towards settings. Once you are on the settings, you will get the option of chat. So what you have to do is to simply tap on that. In the chat section, if you will scroll down a little bit, you will get the option of chat backup. So simply tap on that. And now if only you have backed up, then your chats would be restored. Otherwise you cannot restore your messages. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.